Let's make collard greens with smoked turkey wings. I like to use the Baker Farm shredded collard greens that are already washed and shredded, but I still go in and wash my greens myself. And I love to use the Royal Smoked turkey wings to cook my collard greens in. This is a half a pot of water, and I also like to use the 3 pepper and onion blend from Kroger instead of me having to cut and chop up everything myself, along with this Tones chicken base. This stuff is chef's kiss, and I pick it up from my local Sam Club. I also like to use crushed red peppers for my seasoning, as well as garlic powder. I also like to go in with onion powder as well as garlic salt to my water, along with using seasoned salt as well. I will use about 1/4 of a cup of canola oil, as well as 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now let's go ahead and season our pot so that we can get the house smelling amazing. And to my pot, I went ahead and I added 3 of those smoked turkey wings. And you guys don't be afraid to add the seasoning. And like I said, the crushed red pepper, you won't even be able to taste those. Now I'm going to go in with my chicken base, you guys. And this stuff right here, it is amazing to add to your vegetables, as well as to add to some of your meat dishes. Now that those smoked turkey wings have come to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add in my collard greens. And I actually went ahead and added in 2 bags of those collard greens, along with my mixture of peppers and onions. Now I'm going to go in and add in a tablespoon of sugar to my pot, along with, like I said, 1/4 of canola oil. And now we're just going to mix everything together. And you guys, your collard greens are actually going to cook for a total of 4 hours. And I like to cook these on medium low. After about 2 hours, this is what your collard greens should actually look like. And your meat should be very tender. Just stir these up, cover them, and cook them for an additional 2 hours, you guys. Don't these greens look amazing? And y'all, this meal right here, you don't even have to do a lot to it. Now, this is what my greens are looking like after cooking for a total of 4 hours. And you guys, when I say amazing, these greens are so amazing. Look at that meat, how it's just falling off the bone. And you can see those onions and peppers. And this is what it looks like once everything is done. If you guys try this recipe, please leave me a comment below. And I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.